Deep in the arena, Shadow Zik is digging for the ultimate prize. There it is, the diamond crown. It's finally his. Look at it sparkle. But wait, it's Cheater. He stole the crown. Hey, get back here. The chase is on. Shadow Zik is furious. But Cheater has a dirty trick ready. Is that an ACME safe? Watch out! Wait, who's this? It's Lucky. The crown just fell right on his head. Unbelievable. Wait, he's giving it to a chicken? Are you kidding me? What just happened? Look at their faces. Subscribe for more.